Hey, it's Midnight Ravenet, and today we're going to make a cube box. So, what is a cube box? I hear you ask. So, if you've been living under a rock and you haven't seen the work tool or any of the previous makings of these boxes, then I will put the other two that I've done so far at the end of this video. I got this from the works. It's got 9 die cast sheets and 3 embellishment papers to make these boxes. There are 3 types of boxes. We have currently made this one and we've currently made the heart one. Today we are making the cube. So on the back you have loads of ideas of how to decorate them. There are 9 altogether. You get all the die cast cutouts that you need to make the boxes, and then at the end you get all the gorgeous stickers in a range of coloured, or you get a range of black and white. So I've already done 2 boxes so far. I will show you the last 2 I did. This was the first box we did, which we called the chocolate box because it was so small, or the gift card box. And I did it for my son's 11th birthday. So that looks pretty cool, and it's just a happy birthday. It can be 2-sided, and you just leave the flap open here to put your present in. The second box we did was a thank you box for Mother's Day. If you missed that one, it's a heart-shaped box with a slightly deep back, so you could probably fit a bath bomb or a candle or something very small in there. It wouldn't be very big, hence the shape. You decorate it in Mother's Day thing, and it's just got a big thank you. Like I said, can decorate both front and back. We are just doing the front on these 3. When I do the other ones, if you so want me to, I will decorate the whole thing. And then the third one, which is this cube. Now, I know you're thinking, that doesn't look like a cube. Well, you're right, it doesn't look like a cube at the minute, but it is a flat cube, and we are going to put it together. So, if you have patience, perseverance, and a lot of free time to watch me, then stay watching this video. So, we are going to put the screen down so you can get a gawp at this, because this one is relatively easy. So basically anything with a fold has been folded previously, and it did come in this originally, but I have taken it out. So the idea is that we are going to make a cube. So if you're ready, we take these 2 flaps here and we're going to fold them in. So as you can see already, making a cube. Then first of all, before we even do that, although that looks like a cube, which it is, we need to take this flap here and stick it to here. That way the 2 sides are held together before we stick the bottom on. If not, we then can't get the side in. So the first bit we need to do is this flap here needs to be stuck to this side first. So we'll get some good quality Pritt stick, which I still don't have. We still have this stuff from Japan, so we'll play it by ear. This is from Wish, and they're not the best in the world, but we are going with that because that's what I have. And you stick this alongside here where it lines up, and you just hold it until you get the 2 lines here to meet, and then you just pinch it together as I do, like this. You probably would stand here for a while, but we don't have time for that. So that would hold like that. So already we're starting to make a cube, see? Next we're going to put the bottom in. So the bottom is relatively easy. You take the 2 bits which we will fold here and here. Look at that. And then this part folds in the bottom. So what you would do if you want to make this bottom part really secure is to glue this part, put it in there so it sticks. But at the minute you can just do it like this, or we can glue it. So what we're going to do is, for hindsight's sake, just to show you, we're going to glue it. Effectively it would probably just stay in if you just put a piece of tape on it. You probably wouldn't have to glue it, but for purposes of showing you, you would glue it like that. You would go in from the top, you would pinch it and hold it in line, and then it would stick with the excess glue. And there you would have a standing box. So we're looking pretty good right now. This is probably the best I've done so far. The first one was probably, and the second one was the most confusing. This one is actually probably the easiest. So now we have what we call a standing box. And I do love the fact that it's got love around the bottom. So you would probably hold up for a bit longer so it would be a bit more secure. And you'd probably weigh it with something inside so it would stick. Then you get the two flaps here. And you put one in on top of the other. And then you get these two bits here. And you see that they have a slot here and a slot here. And you would fold them in. And then you would just cross them over like lovers. And guess what it makes? A heart. How cute. And that is the box. Yay! So, after throwing the glue on the floor at least once in every video, this was the easiest box. Bring on more cubes. I can make cubes all day long. So, on this box, they've got great big signs of love, made with love. So, if you're going to put like a chocolate in here or maybe a mini cupcake, on the back, they have these other cube stickers. Let me show you the stickers that we can use. So we're going to decorate all four sides of this cube. So we have not got the right screen. Hang on. We have black and white stickers. We have the Mother's Day style, which is kind of cool. And then on here, we actually have cube stickers, which you can make. It says home sweet home, enjoy it, happy birthday. Or you can use any of these. You've got heart here, you've got made with love, and all this, and you can stick them on. So I think we're going to go for the love theme. So we're going to take the love one, I think. We're going to take the love one, and we're going to stick that on one side. So that's one thing we're going to do. Then I think we should take the made with love one, which kind of goes with it. And we'll stick that on the reverse side. So that takes two sides up. Then we need something for the other two sides. So if we've got that, you can also add your own embellishments to all of these. So let's see what we've got. Then I think we should take some of these cube ones that we have here that were designed for the cube, which is this love heart one, which will go with the love theme. And then I think we should go for the flower one on the other side. We take this one out, which looks like this, and then we have the four sides to start with, and we'll decorate them. So all you need is some more glue. You could obviously stick stickers on them and not use these embellishment paper that's come with it, but it's entirely up to you. So let's start with the love sign here. What you do is take a generous heap of glue, sticky dots, double back sellotape, and we're going to stick it on here so that the heart is at the front. So we're going to stick the word love on there. That looks good. Love. And then we said on the reverse, so the back of the box, we were going to stick the made with love. So we'll do that. So we stick the made with love on the reverse of the box. I will show you the box in full once we have finished. That one has ripped slightly, which I'm kind of annoyed about, but we will deal with that on the reverse, like that. And then made with love. And then the other side, we were going to stick the actual cube ones that they've sent, like this, on the other side. So we'll stick this one to the other side. Like I said, these work okay with glue. You'd probably be better using glue dots or craft glue or something a bit stronger. This paper doesn't, this card doesn't take very well to glue sticks. And then you stick this one on the side there, and then we will stick the other one on the other side. Obviously this would be a little bit more sturdy if I had a little bit more time, maybe make it set, and then we were going to stick the flower one on the other side, which we're going to do now. Ooh. So here's the flower one, and we're sticking this on the other side. You can cover the love thing up, which is probably what's going to happen here, but it does say love around the bottom. This hasn't quite got enough glue. To do these, you probably need a little bit of time and a little bit of patience. I have none of those, you might see. No patience. I have plenty of time, just not patience. So, all in all, the box itself looks like this. You've got love, you've got flower, you've got made with love, which unfortunately did rip with the glue, and then you've got the heart. You've got the heart on the top, so if you wanted to put a message on the heart, it does split into two when you open it. So if you wanted to put two such and such on there, you could do. Or if you wanted to decorate the top of the heart, I don't know what we have. We have anything to decorate the top of the heart. We've got arrows, we've got numbers, we've got mustaches, we've got flowers. So if you wanted to put a couple of flowers on the top, you could. You do get quite a lot. So you've got numbers, mustaches. In this one, which is the coloured one, you get flowers and wreaths and kisses. And then in this one, you've got the bigger ones and more numbers and stuff like that. So if you just wanted to get a flower and just stick on the top, you could. Obviously, you could do what you like, to be fair. There are no instructions, so you don't have to copy the back. You could do whatever you like. You could decorate all four sides. You could decorate one. You could decorate the back and the front. Entirely up to you. These were £3 and you made 9. I've so far made one of each. So I've made the cube, which was this video, which looks pretty cool. You could probably do more to it if you wanted, but I don't want this video to run on too long. Then you have the heart one, which I did for Mother's Day. If you want to see that video, I'll link it at the end. And then the third box in the series, which we started with, was the Sweetie box. So these are 3 of the 9. The other 6 are just multiples. There are 3 of these, 3 of these, and 3 of these. So if you wanted to see the other 6, I could do them in another video where I did 2 of these, 2 of these, or 2 of the cubes. If you wanted to see them, I don't have to do more videos on these. If you'd rather not, then that's fine. I can make them in my own time. But these are the 3 boxes that I have made. One was for a birthday, one was for Mother's Day, and one was for Valentine's, or just to show your partner you love them. Maybe put an engagement ring in it, maybe put sweets in it, put a candle in it. I don't know. Mother's Day one is a bit bigger, and this one is quite big, but still it's not as big as you think it is. The Mother's Day one has the kink, so it's only got the bottom bit. But these are the 3 boxes I have spent many hours drilling over to do them. So if you love this video and my perseverance and my willpower that's gone into making these, do give me a big like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed these 3 videos as much as me. If you haven't seen any of the series so far, you can check it out. I will link the videos that haven't been shown at the end. If you want to see the others, I can make more. Like I said, I still have 2 of each box that I haven't done. Here there's 2 of these, 2 of these, and 2 of these still. Like I said, I do have Easter cards coming out if you want to see them as well. you won't want to waste my Easter cards, because if they're as adventurous as this is, then you'll want to see it. So you can get these from the works for £3 for all 9. Like I said, you get 9 boxes and all the stickers. £3 is a bargain price. Sit there with your kids maybe and get them to pick which ones. It's a little bit fiddly, so I'm talking sort of teenage to adult. There are no instructions, so you'll have to play it by ear. Don't watch this video because I'm not the best in the world, and obviously you can see my boxes don't look that bad. I did do it on a video, so if I took the time and did them off camera, which is what I might do with the rest, and then show you what I've done with the other 6 in a video, which is probably what I'm going to do. I'll do the other 6 off camera, make them, and then bring you one video where I show you the entire collection that I've made. So if you want to see more from me, do like, subscribe, big thumbs up, check out my entire playlist. My channel is heading towards 1.5k, and I'm starting to do more crafty bits. So if this is what you love on my channel, do comment down below what you love about my channel. I love feedback. I love reading what you like. These are the 3 that I have made. So if you like these as well, comment down below which is your favourite. Hashtag your favourite one. Hashtag cube, heart, or birthday box. And I will hopefully see you for another video soon. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye.